Hi folks, Steve here. I'm going to show you how to make sure that a program called Windows Defender is running on your computer. The first thing you need to do is click the Start button, which is in the lower left corner of your screen. Down here has a picture of a window on it. Just click on that one time, and then without clicking on anything else, just start typing the following word on your keyboard. Type the word Windows, and then a space, and then Defender, D-E-F-E-N-D-E-R. And you see where it says Windows Security? Just put your mouse over the top of that and click it. And that's going to open the Windows Defender screen. Hopefully. Yeah, here it comes. And depending on what it says in here, we're going to know whether or not this program is running on your computer. So what you're looking for basically is a bunch of green check marks, especially in the first 4 or 5 sections here. And you can see on my computer that the very first one has not a green check mark, but a yellow exclamation point, indicating that there is in fact a problem. So it looks like the virus and threat protection is actually turned off. So all you have to do is click Turn On, and that should turn it on. Do you want to allow this device to make changes? Yes, I do. And there you go. That means that everything is running. So you can then close this and continue on your merry way. Thanks a lot.